For the future of our planet, we need to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. Every industry will have to invest massively to reduce its carbon footprint. Green, renewable solar and wind power will be key. Batteries can only store a small proportion of the solar and wind power, and cables can only transport part of that energy. So we need to transform electricity into hydrogen to store and transport it efficiently. Hydrogen can easily be produced through electrolysis, using electricity to split water into oxygen and hydrogen. If the electricity used is green, the hydrogen is green. In the electrolyzer plant, hydrogen is produced from electricity and water. The clean gas is stored in tanks under pressure and used locally. At CMB.TECH, we develop hydrogen solutions for both the maritime and land-based industries. Our trucks, port equipment and ships can run on hydrogen, and our hydrogen gensets can power construction sites, data centers and hospitals. For large industrial applications, compressed hydrogen takes up too much space. So the hydrogen molecule can be combined with nitrogen from the atmosphere to form ammonia. This almost triples the amount of hydrogen that can be transported or stored. This green ammonia can be used to make fertilizers or fuel. The shipping industry burns about 300 million tons of fossil fuel per year, producing about 1 billion tons of CO2. The aim is to reduce this to zero, and experts agree green hydrogen and green ammonia provide promising solutions. Large engines that run on ammonia are in development and will be ready by 2024. Transporting and burning of ammonia doesn't emit any CO2. The technology is safe and only requires a minimal investment. Transitioning to using green ammonia as a shipping fuel will require hundreds of green energy hubs. These renewable energy hubs will use wind and solar power to purify water and produce hydrogen. In a large factory, hydrogen will be used to make ammonia. A green energy hub will cost between $2 and $2.5 billion. We believe that Namibia is an ideal location for the construction of a green energy hub. It's a politically stable country with a strong legal system and well-established energy and trading strategy. Thanks to the abundance of sun and wind, it's one of the most cost-efficient places in the region to produce green energy. The port of Walvis Bay is strategically located on the biggest trade routes from Latin and North America to Asia and from Europe to Africa, so ideal for ammonia-powered ships. Any surplus not used by these ships can be transported around the globe to supply industries with green energy. Ammonia can be used to produce green fertilizers locally, ready for export by truck or ship. This huge investment will bring Namibia to the forefront of the energy revolution, with the biggest African renewable energy park, electrolyzer and ammonia plant. This investment will be a catalyst for the job market and education system. The project will attract further investment in green businesses and spin-off projects. It will boost international trade in Walvis Bay and increase Namibia's energy independence. CMB.TECH, together towards a sustainable future.